Hello everyone. Presbyopia is an eye defect which happens due to weakening of ciliary muscles as people age, and because of which the power of accommodation of eye changes. Now, to understand this, recall that in case of myopia, which is short-sightedness, or let's take a condition of a normal eye. For normal eye, suppose if this is the position of the normal eye, then we saw that from this near point, a normal person can see up to infinity. So this would be the range of vision. This is for normal point where the far point tends to infinity. While if you look at a myopic eye, that is a person having short-sightedness, this person can see objects which are nearby, but the range of vision is limited. This person cannot see beyond a point. Let's call it point P. So this person can see only in this range. So for this person, anything beyond point P cannot be seen. So this would be his range of vision. While if you take a person who has a long sightedness, such person cannot see from near point. This person may start seeing from a point which is behind the point N, that's beyond the point N. For example, say some point R. Now this person can see from the point R up to infinity. In such case, the range of vision is again limited. The person cannot see anything from the eye to this point. This is not visible. Now the reason for myopia and then hypermetropia was different. That was because of the change, that is the enlargement or the diminishing of the eyeball itself. But in presbyopia, it is combination of these two defects. That is, we can think of presbyopia as a condition where the person has both short-sightedness as well as long-sightedness, but the cause is different. In case of presbyopia, the cause is because of the weakening of ciliary muscles. Keep in mind that we saw that a human eye, the lens could be flattened or could be made curved, and this action is done by ciliary muscles. As a person becomes older, as with any other muscle, even the ciliary muscles would weaken, because of which the flattening or curving will not be effective. So this would give rise to the two defects combined together, but the cause here is different. Now since this presbyopia contains or is because of the two defects, we need to use both kinds of lenses, that is a concave or a diverging as well as a convex lens. So both diverging as well as converging lenses are used. Now here the upper half is diverging, and this corrects myopia as seen earlier. Now this is required to see far away objects, because myopia would mean the person cannot see beyond a given point. The lower half is converging, and this corrects, should be long-sightedness, and this corrects the long-sightedness as given here. You could see that this part would be like the concave lens, and this is like the convex lens, and this kind of lens is called as a bifocal lens. So presbyopia is corrected by using a bifocal lens.